Okay, so I don't know if you guys have ever perused eBay before and like went searching for really cheap cat trees. Well, I have. And this tree is one of the outcomes of being bored and perusing eBay. I know it doesn't look like much because it's actually a deconstructed tree. Um, this tree on eBay, I can't find the exact one that I bought anymore. Um, but now the ones that are similar, there's a little bit of a different design to the actual. This is actually a stand, the top of a stand right here. So you can see mine's a little bit curved and kind of like a, I don't know, what would that be? Like a third of a pie, I guess, or a third of a circle. And this is the picture online that I found of an eBay Majestic pet product. So that's the closest thing that I can find online now that resembles my cat tree. So that's what it's really supposed to look like when you get it and put it together. It's 48 inches tall. What does it say? 21 inches wide. And then like this one is this top. Oh, what do they call it? I guess like top level is 14 inches. It's a square, obviously. It's 14 inches wide, and this is 13 inches wide for the next. And then inside, oh, actually, I guess they're talking about the hole is actually 6 inches wide. The bottom posts are 19 inches high. And then it also comes with a little ladder, and then there's like a hole right here so they can like jump up and through. So you can see the hole here. I put this here because I have modified mine because I got it and I realized right away that it was a lot smaller than I thought. I knew it was going to be small, but I didn't realize how small. I got it for Candy when I just had her in San Diego, and even she was kind of like, what the heck is this? Because at home we have a really big cat tree. So the top part is actually from the larger cat tree at home. So this is like the shelf that you would get. And then it bolts in. They bolt in and you get, oh my gosh, I don't know what they're called. You get it comes with the little wrench thing. And then there's sisal posts. And, oh, this one has it says it came from neptunemart.com, but actually I got it off eBay, so I don't know what that means. Maybe they have a website or something. There's the hole, that's the bottom, and this is actually where the ladder hooks on. Oh, here. Frisky is demonstrating. Thank you, Frisky. God. He's like, what are we looking at? We're looking at the ladder hooks. So this is where the ladder hooks on, and then it comes down like this. So technically, your cat is supposed to go up the ladder and into the hole. The hole is pretty small. Frisco! Frisco! Oh, Frisky! Pay attention. Okay, he's not paying attention. And then, like back here is actually supposed to be a house, the square house. So So this house is supposed to be right here, but I actually took it out because it's really small inside. Unfortunately, I brought it home, so I don't have it to measure. And what else do I not have? I don't have the ladder anymore, but you can see the ladder would be pretty small. And Candy never used the ladder. She does like to, I put one of the scratchers here, and when she's playing, she will actually jump up through here or down through it. She really likes it. It's actually quite funny because sometimes she can't make it all the time. She's a big cat, not a kitten. And it was really cute to watch her. Frisco really likes this to scratch on. Of course, I have it next to the door, so he's really scratched at this side. He really gets excited. He's been outside. So let me show you maybe from the top. So, like I said, this one is actually supposed to be another one of these. I bolted this this part down on the actual base because it's really short, and when Candy laid down, she was like falling off the edge. So I just decided to make it a little bit bigger and extend it out with the shelf. Let me get Frisco in there. So it fits really nicely in a corner. Obviously, it's made for corners. I actually made this. I bought some fabric and some filling, and I made little cushions because this material, this one was on the large cat tree, but this one and this one are very hard, and honestly, I think they're really uncomfortable for a cat, at least. I mean, I don't sit on it, but and it adds some color. Also, this is a different kind of fabric that they used, but that's for the other cow tree. But this one is a more fleecy kind of fabric. But both of them are not thick, and they're not padded. The fabric is not long, so if you have a cat that likes to play, it might like fall off, and it has no way to like grab onto the tree to like hold itself on. So for this tree it's not a huge deal, but for a big cat tree, you know, that's a long way down, it could be a little dangerous. I've actually had Candy fall off quite a few times on the large cat tree from the top, and I always, oh no, Candy. So anyway, this is the cat tree. There's Frisco. Candy, why don't you go on the tree? Come on. It's Candy. So what are you doing? Frisco! Frisco! Any questions or comments, leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys.